Hello Chosen Ones! In this video I'm going to show you how to get charcoal in Witchspire. Charcoal can be obtained through several different methods, but the most consistent way is by processing wood in a furnace. If you haven't unlocked or built a furnace yet, there are still a few alternative ways to gather it early on. Starting from the central area of the island where the first abandoned hearth is located, head northeast toward the Chirilli crater. You can make the trip on foot if you're still early in the game, but using a broom will make the journey much faster if you've already unlocked one. Once you arrive at the crater, look for the scorched and blackened trees scattered throughout the area. These can be harvested with a logging sickle just like normal trees, but instead of producing wood, they'll drop charcoal directly. This makes the crater one of the best early game locations for collecting the resource. Another source of charcoal comes from defeating charlings. These creatures can occasionally be found roaming the area, and defeating them provides an additional way to gather the material while you're exploring. Of course, once you've built a furnace, you'll gain access to the most reliable production method. Simply place wood into the furnace and convert it into charcoal whenever you need more. And that's about it on how to get charcoal in Witchspire.